This is the Volkswagen e-Golf, and if you need to find the fuse boxes, there are two of them actually. So here is the main fuse box in the engine compartment, and the fuses and relays. It doesn't have a fuse relay map, but has a fuse puller here. And also there's an interior fuse box. It's located here on the driver's side on the left-hand drive vehicles, probably a mirror in the right-hand drive. So this is the compartment for your things, and you need to lower it down. To do that, you need to push these two walls inside. It's not that easy, but when you're using two hands, it's much easier. So here is how you do that, and there is the second fuse box there with some relays and fuses. I will also post the link to the website page with the fuse box diagrams for all model years of the e-Golf, so the link is in the description. You can use it